Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. So friend, whenever I see new vocabulary, words and phrases, idioms, so I note down in my books and I search their meaning on Google. So and while speaking I use. So here I want to share with you couple of idioms I got from videos. So I search sometimes phrases, idiom. So I know, so that's why I want to share with you so that you can also use in while conversation. So idiom, when we use idiom, so it sounds natural, right? So let's start the video. So first is under the weather. It means feeling unwell. So for example, तबीयत खराब होना, we can say. For example, I was under the weather when it was raining. And second is spill the beans, means reveal a secret. जब हम किसी को अपनी पर्सनल चीज़ें शेयर करते हैं वहाँ पे हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं spill the beans. I spill the beans with my friends. And third is at the end of the day, last में. इसका यूज़ हम तब करते हैं जब आप फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल I was doing work but at the end of the day I felt exhausted. So इस तरह से आप उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. And fourth is on cloud nine. It means very happy. When I saw my friend, I was on cloud nine. And over the moon, it means also very happy. So you can use whatever you want on cloud nine or over the moon. And sixth is cup of tea. It means bas ka na hona ya hona. We can use both. Like spoken English is my cup of tea, and we can say speaking English is not my cup of tea. So we can use whatever we want, right? So these are these are idioms that I got from videos, different videos. So I wanted to share with you. So I shared. You can use while doing conversation. It sounds more natural. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll meet in next video. Till then.